What's up, guys? It's your girl Aaliyah. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing knotless box braids on myself. Yeah, it's my first time ever doing it, so bear with me, y'all. This is 100% Kankalon hair. It's pre-stretched and it's the 52-inch. For this hairstyle, I use edge booster, edge control. You can use whatever edge control you like. I use a comb, of course, mousse, some scissors. Why do I look like that? Stop, please. So y'all, I find it very easy to start off in the front, so don't judge me. I would rather do my front than my back because I cannot see my back, of course. I separated 4 pieces of hair. I started off small and made them bigger because of course I want a big braid. There's my edge control. I start off by putting my edge control at the root of my hair to make it easier to braid. Once again, these are knotless braids, so I'm starting at the root of my hair like I'm braiding the root of my hair, and then I'll add weave to my real hair to make the hair longer. By the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual raining. Y'all, I'm not even gonna cap like I got this braid on the first try. No, babe. I had to restart this braid 5 freaking times. I was so aggravated, but I finally got it. Wait until y'all see the finished project of this fucking hair, y'all. Oh my god, I screamed so loud when I got done. Don't skip the video. Don't skip. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. I clipped the end of my braids so my hair does not unbraid. Make sure you get some clips if you're going to do the same style. Just say you will. Come through and chill. With you tonight is on an island. It's about time for making up. Found you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you want you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had this place on land. Take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had this place on land. Take you there, take you there. Take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby, it's about time for making up time. The times you wasn't really waking up. Now you feel that I couldn't let you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you want you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had this place on land. Take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had this place on land. Take you there, take you there. Please be done. Can you just be that way? Can you be that? Can you show that I want you?
narco. Got dope like Pablo, cut throat like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Take out. No monkey in the jungle, blind hot like a sauna. Bouncing off and I'm trying to weep an anaconda. Jumping in the water, trying to slip across the border. Got see cars out, got me big bad for Ronald. Out bag of money, know I gotta have it. Savage, but I'm still a gentleman in Cali.
This braid came out so bulky, I end up taking it out later on in the video, but yeah, I just want to let y'all know.
Get a chainsaw and I'ma saw our legs off. They know that we're a gang, but they say that we're a ring. Investigating, taking pictures of the whole thing. Undercover trying to do his thing. 10 mil on a plane, going straight them in a team. Trapping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Hey. Cold gang with the cocaine. The more money make more rain. Going up a paint while I'm back in propane. Point blank range, give a nigga nose ring.
And like that, the front row is done. Our first row has been completed.
Birds in the truck, they ain't leaving at the nest. Get pie face set like milk. Yup, running with the pack, got slipped. Hands in the cookie jar, cut his finger off. Nigga being greedy, we gon' cut his tummy out. 100 bricks on the road, took a couple routes. Flush mama house, Hermes and Philly couch. I ain't really with the razzle dazzle. Knock him out, but then I throw him out the boat paddle. Go to Tijuana, put the kilo on the saddle. Sack him, hit a lick and cop a pterodactyl. Pap him, chop it, bite down like an apple. Match it with the acres, with the horses in the cabin like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato.
I had my sister help me part the back of my hair because, like I said, y'all, I am not the fan of the back. And yeah, she helped and it was easy from there. Y'all, at this point, I was just like, fuck this shit. I don't know why I'm even braiding my hair right now. That's what was going on in my head, y'all.
Let's take this overboard now. I want you to
feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie, share that beat of love. I wanna ride
Y'all, I done finally made it to my last braid. Of course, I'm happy as shit, happy as fuck. Yeah, it took forever to get here. Literally only took 4 hours to do this hairstyle, but it felt like forever and a day.
working in the
as y'all can tell, those are not boxes. I don't know what they are. Triangles, rectangles, fucking hectagons, everything in my head. I don't care, girl. I just was tired and I was done. I was trying to get done with my hair. Like, no.
So what we been through, I miss you.
I'm a little bit too hype. But y'all gonna need some rollers for this hairstyle to curl your ends. I don't think I have to say that, but for the people in the back, I have to say that. So yeah.
You never know when to chill. Always talk about keep it real. Only till you got your fill. Then you wanna cry ill will.
This is where the mousse come in to make sure you get rid of all the flyaways that you may have missed while braiding your hair. This shit works so good. I use a lot. You don't have to use as much as me, but I like overdoing stuff, so of course I'm gonna use a lot. So here's my hot water and my towel, of course. I dipped my rollers in, and that's how my hair came out so curly. It came out good too. Y'all will see.
I promise we'll find love again. Yeah. Oh, yeah. You don't even say what's up. Round your bush, wax so slow. Like you never been in love. If you don't quit acting up, alone this way you're going enough. I promise. You may think that I'm crazy. You should ask around about me. Put your trust in me, baby. I wait for my slumber. I wish I could call you up. Miss how you put your love on me. Boy, you got my number.
Not my curls curling, y'all. Look at that. That shit look good. Y'all see? Oh my god, so cute.
Hold on till you can't extend. I'll be clinging on to you. I'll be clinging on to you. And then again, orbiting around and then circle back around to you. Coming back around to you.
Y'all, my hair came out so good right now. I'm so hyped right now because I didn't think it was gonna come out this good, but it came out so good and I love it. Before I go, thank you guys so much for getting me to 600 subscribers. Y'all do not play about me, and I'm not gonna play about y'all. Y'all subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Thank you guys for tuning in today's video. See y'all next time. Bye.